Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, madam, how can I help you?
Sir, I am really happy to see you, because you are one of the best doctor of our city.
Thank you so much.
Actually, I am from City Council for Disabled Kids. Our research shows that out of a yearly income of at least $500,000, you give not a penny to charity. Wouldn't you like to give back to the community in some way?
First, did your research also show that my mother is dying after a long illness, and has medical bills that are several times her annual income?
Oh, sorry. No, sir, I didn't know.
Or that my brother, a disabled veteran, is blind and confined to a wheelchair?
Oh, really?
Or that my sister's husband died in a traffic accident, leaving her penniless with 3 children?
I had no idea, sir.
So if I don't give any money to them, why should I give any to you?